Can Trump's Qatari jet become Air Force One? Imagine a jet so luxurious, it makes Air Force One look basic. Now imagine that jet possibly becoming the next presidential aircraft. Sounds wild? Well, welcome aboard what many are calling Trump's Flying Palace, a $400 million custom Boeing 747-8 once owned by the Qatari royal family. Yep, you heard that right. This isn't just any private jet, it's a flying mansion in the sky, dripping in gold, marble, and mystery. And the internet is buzzing with one big question. Could this opulent beast actually replace Air Force One? In this video, we're going deep into the story behind the plane, the crazy features inside, and whether it really has a shot at becoming the presidential aircraft. Buckle up, hit that like button, and let's take off into one of the most jaw-dropping aviation story you'll hear this year. A brief history of the Qatari Boeing 747-8. Before this jet caught Trump's eye, it belonged to some of the wealthiest royals on Earth, the royal family of Qatar. This Boeing 747-8 was originally customized for luxury travel at a level most of us can't even dream of. We're talking about a flying palace with nearly every inch designed for comfort, prestige, and pure excess. But despite the multi-million-dollar upgrades, the aircraft was rarely used. It sat in storage, mostly untouched, until 2023, when it was quietly listed for sale. Rumors swirled, aviation geeks noticed, and suddenly the internet was ablaze with speculation. How does a country just let go of a jet like this? And more importantly, who would buy it? That's when the Trump connection started making waves, and this already lavish jet suddenly became a symbol of power, ambition, and maybe even a comeback. So, how did Trump enter the picture? Let's find out. Donald Trump's acquisition, deal or hype? Enter Donald J. Trump, businessman, current president, and master of spectacle. When reports surfaced that Trump might be eyeing the $400 million Qatari jet, the media went into overdrive. Was he really buying it? Is this just another branding stunt? Or Qatari royal family is gifting this big bird to President Trump? According to sources close to the situation, Trump's team had expressed serious interest in the aircraft, drawn to its prestige, size, and, let's be honest, the jaw-dropping interiors. While official confirmation is still murky, the buzz alone has sparked global interest. Some say it's a strategic move.
So I think it's a great gesture from Qatar. I appreciate it very much. I would never be one to turn down that kind of an offer. I mean, I could be a stupid person and say, no, we don't want a free, very expensive airplane.
Imagine arriving at campaign rallies in a flying palace. Others see it as a nod to a potential 2025 return, flexing presidential vibes with an aircraft fit for a king. Is Trump making a power move or simply trolling the media? One thing's for sure, when Trump does anything involving gold, jets, and headlines, it's never boring. Luxurious inside features of flying palace. Okay, let's talk about the real reason everyone's obsessed with this jet, the inside. Step aboard and you'll find yourself surrounded by gold accents, designer furniture, marble bathrooms, and enough leather seating to host a Fortune 500 board meeting mid-air. There's a master bedroom that rivals five-star hotels, a private dining room, full-sized showers, and even a prayer room from its royal days. Every inch screams power and exclusivity, from the hand-stitched upholstery to the high-end tech systems embedded throughout the cabin. It's not just a plane. It's a symbol, it's a message, and it's one hell of a flex. If Trump does get his hands on it, it would be the most extravagant aircraft owned by any political figure in modern history. But how does it stack up against the actual Air Force One? Let's compare the two and see if this jet is just glam or presidential grade. Comparison to Air Force One. Now here's where things get really interesting. Trump's rumored new ride is a Boeing 778, the same model as the upcoming version of Air Force One. But don't get it twisted, the current Air Force One is a heavily modified 747-200B, a true fortress in the sky with unmatched security, military-grade communication, and next-level defense systems. Okay, let's get real. Can this lavish plane officially become Air Force One? The short answer, probably not without major upgrades. The term Air Force One is actually a call sign used for any aircraft carrying the president. So technically, yes, if Trump flies in it, it becomes Air Force One. But to replace the official US Air Force One, that's a different story. The current aircraft is loaded with military communication systems, electronic countermeasures, anti-missile tech, and secure shielding. Things this Qatari jet simply doesn't have. For Trump's jet to qualify, it would need a full-on retrofit by the US military. And that's not just costly, it's complicated. Still, Trump's known for making bold, unexpected moves. If anyone could push for a custom gold-trimmed presidential aircraft, it's him. But is it practical? That's up for debate, and Congress might have something to say about it. Public and political reactions. As soon as this story hit the headlines, reactions started flying faster than the jet itself. Trump supporters are calling it iconic, a symbol of American strength, success, and unapologetic swagger. Memes flooded social media, comparing the gold-plated interior to scenes from movies like Scarface or The Great Gatsby. But critics? Oh, they had a field day. Accusations of excess, vanity, and misuse of funds, even though it's privately owned. Some political figures raised eyebrows, wondering what message it sends to the world when the US president flies in what looks like a royal palace. Meanwhile, aviation nerds are just excited to see such a rare aircraft back in the spotlight. Whether you love it, hate it, or just can't look away, one thing's clear. This isn't just a plane. It's a statement. And as always, Trump knows exactly how to get people talking. The bigger picture, Trump image and legacy. This plane isn't just about luxury, it's about legacy. For President Trump, image has always been part of the strategy. From skyscrapers to gold-plated elevators, he's built a brand around being bigger, bolder, and flashier than anyone else. Now, with a custom Boeing 747-8 potentially in his fleet, the symbolism is off the charts. It's not just a jet, it's a flying reminder of power, wealth, and the Trump name. And with him back in the White House, this aircraft could redefine what presidential travel looks like. Is it a practical move? Not really. But is it a power move? Absolutely. Whether it's a campaign message, a legacy project, or just another Trump-style flex, it fits the image perfectly. And in politics, image can be everything. This isn't just about aviation. It's about rewriting the playbook of modern presidential presence, fantasy or future reality. So, could this jet really become Trump's version of Air Force One? The answer is maybe. It's not military approved. It lacks the defense tech, and it would take a miracle of upgrades to meet security standards. But here's the thing, this is Trump we're talking about. If he wants it, he'll find a way to use it. Maybe not for every official trip, but for campaign rallies, international tours, major summits? Absolutely. And let's be honest, stepping off a gold-trimmed Boeing 747-8 just hits differently. Whether it ever gets the official seal or not, this aircraft has already carved out a place in modern political theater. Love it or hate it, it's unforgettable, and that's exactly the point. In a world where optics matter just as much as policy, this jet might be Trump's boldest move yet. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Should Trump use this flying palace as his presidential jet? Is it a bold power move, or just over-the-top extravagance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We're diving in and featuring the best takes in our next video. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look into Trump's sky-high empire, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more luxurious stuff, and ring that bell so you never miss a takeoff. Thanks for watching. And remember, in Trump's world, even Air Force One might need a golden upgrade.